Welcome to a world where code meets creativity. Today we're diving into an intriguing project, drawing your name in Python Turtle. But we're not stopping there. Oh no, we're setting this masterpiece against the backdrop of the Swedish flag. First things first, open up your preferred Python editor. We suggest either Trinket.io or Replit.com. Both are user-friendly and perfect for this kind of task. Now let's get started. Python Turtle is a fantastic tool that turns lines of code into visual art. Today, you'll be using it to write your name. Remember, each letter is a combination of lines and curves. Think of it as the alphabet of programming. Next, we'll create the Swedish flag, a blue field with a gold or yellow Scandinavian cross that extends to the edges of the flag. For any additional help or documentation, a handy PDF file is available on VKLS. It's your go-to guide for this journey. So there you have it, a creative challenge that combines coding, art, and a touch of national pride. Happy coding, and don't forget to share your masterpieces.